Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a DIY hexagon room decor. Let's get to it. The materials you need for this DIY room decor is some craft sticks, a hot glue gun, and if you want, 2 extra glue sticks for your hot glue gun. Let's get started. Now you will get 6 craft sticks and make a hexagon shape for your base, just like I did here. So it will look like something like this. Now get your hot glue gun and pick up one of your sticks and put glue on both of the corners. I'm gonna do that same thing over here. Now get your stick and connect them like so. And repeat the same process to the other sides. Now that all of them are connected like this, repeat the same process by getting another one of your craft sticks and putting it on top and make layers around it. You can make as many layers as you want, and once you get to your desired length, then just stop. This is the final product, and now you can spray paint it. So this is the final product after you have spray painted it, and you can have this standing like this, you can have it flat down like this, or you can have it on your wall. And after you've done this, make sure to let it dry for a little bit so you can place it around your room. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that DIY room decor item, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!